Hi mga fur parents! So ayan yung mga little babies namin. So actually gagawa ako ng content about dun sa daily shoes na gamit namin. I mean, this would be the typical na parang afford ng isang middle income na mga tao siguro. So ayan, actually walang laman yung shoes namin. Charot. Actually meron yung mga laman dati, but we had to put them up, up, like dyan. Kasi inaabot ng dalawang to. This little doggy and this one. So pinaglalaroan nila. So to start off, we both have our Crocs na sandal. Ayan, Crocs. So, I think magto 2 years na to sa amin. But still, check nyo naman yung quality. Di pa siya pudpud. Meron ganyang style, pero still it's in good shape. Dalawa yan. One size is mas malaki tong sa partner ko. And then eto, magti 3 years na rin to sa akin. It's an Under Armour na slipper. Very comfortable for long walks. So, yan. Maganda reviews ko dito. It's like soft. Very, ano ba, cloud. May cloud formula, whatever yan. And then kay partner, he has his Birkenstocks. The rubber type. Kasi gamit niya rin yan every day. So, wala na siyang ibang slipper. Kundi yan lang. Ako, eto. And then, I also have my own Birks. Ayan. So, I just bought this year lang. So, ayan, ilang beses pa yan nakagamit. Ano ba? Malaman yung original. Well, we bought this a restaurant. So, siguro. So sinabi ko nga, nasa taas na yung mga shoes namin because our little doggies are like playing with them. So, eto, medyo magulo yung area namin. And, I have these also. Ito yung aking pang-office dati. They're Sperry. Actually, dahil nag-jeep ako dati, nasira yung ilalim. No. Nasira yung ilalim niya. So, I had to replace it. So, bago na siya. Wala na siya nung tatak dito na, kasi may pangalan yung dito ata na Sperry eh. So, this one is already like from a repair shop. Pero nagagamit pa rin siya kasi that's quality leather. Yeah? So, yan. And then this one is pang volleyball or pang takbo ni partner. This is a Puma. And then this one I got from Japan. Ito bagong haul ko. So, mga nasa 1.5 lang to when I bought it. So, from my last travel sa Japan. So, ayan. Size 7 ako. So, ayan. Everyday shoes yan. And then another one. Ito, binili ni partner. Wala lang. Parang may in-applyan siya na work. But sad to say, hindi siya nakuha. So, nandito lang to. W brown. So, naka-plastic. And then this is an old New Balance shoes that he had. So, yan, luma na gamit niya na rin. I think ginagamit pa rin ata niya to. Not sure. Eto, everyday ko to. So, see, kaya ko siya inaakyat yung mga shoes namin kasi, ayan, yung ginagawa ng doggies namin. So, it's Vans. So, I think this is also running 2 years na rin. I bought this during yung mga pandemic times. I like it because smiley siya. And then it fits every outfit because it's black. Tapos may pop of color lang siya. And then eto, ayan, mga labahin na medyas. Don't mind that kasi lalabhan ko pa yan. And then kay partner ulit, it's a Nike. Nabili namin to sa Titan. So, ayan. Maganda naman. Pero of course, luma na. Ayan, may mga kagat-kagat ng doggies namin. And then if it's original talaga, you'd really get your money's worth. Tingnan nyo. Yung ilalim, hindi pa masyado pudpud. And then, ayan. Of course, madumi lang kasi tamad siya maglaba. Of course, wala naman ako masyadong oras to clean it up for him. So, minsan nagganyan na talaga siya. And then another one is dumating ako sa phase na I really love Sperry. So it's another pair. Actually, nagkaroon ata ako ng 3 pair. Yung isa pinadala ko na sa province sa pinsan ko. So ayan. Still I use this one for driving. Excuse me. for for casual walks and Sperry. Ayan. Good quality pa rin, tingnan nyo. I think this is gum sole. I think ito mag 4 years na sa akin. Ayan, meron ditong sign na nakagat ng aso namin. Yan, wala na yung ano. Kasi dapat meron siya yung brown thingy. Ito wala. Ito meron pa. Tapos ito wala na. So, hindi din siya, yan, merong ganyan pala siya, pero very, minimal lang, kumbaga. Tapos, basta the tip for Sperry is huwag nyo siyang laban gamit ang detergents. I've learned from my old Sperry na panilalaban mo siya gamit tar soap, nasisira yung material, yung kulay ng canvas. And then this one, pag in case may ulan, extra tsinelas ni partner naglaga namin sa kotse. Ngayon nandyan lang muna. And then here's another one. I bought this in Japan also sa ABC Mart para kay partner. Ito yung pasalubong ko sa kanya. It's Puma, and then everyday driver niya rin to when he goes to work. Ayan, di ba? So, yan. Tapos eto, I bought this year, June 2023 lang, for our anniversary. It's an Air Jordan na Dunk Low. So, size 7. So, baka ibenta ko to. So, be on the lookout na lang mga ka-fur parents. And then, eto din. So, that's for me. This is for partner. I think I bought the 2. Ay, huwag na yung amount. Basta, binili ko to for us anniversary namin. Diba? Everyday niya rin yung sinusot for Friday pa naka-shorts siya. And another one is eto. So, the Adidas. This was, I think, Campus. So, wala kasing Samba na nabili si partner. And he wanted the Samba. So, ito yung medyo near yung Campus. And then, ayan. So, size 10 to siya. Ito na natin. Yep, he's a size 10. So, and then, ito yung carton ng Birkenstock. Usually, tinatapon namin yan. So, hindi ko pa naisip na itapon. So, ayan. Meron pa pala siyang Adidas din. This is a new one. I think 2023 lang nabili, but madumi na, pero still alaga yan. Siguro dahil nga nagko-commute lang si partner, so kaya medyo natudumihan. And then hindi naman siya last. Ito, nabili ko din sa ABC Mart sa Japan. May Adidas Superstar na nasa 3.5 ko lang nabili doon. So, the bad thing about the Superstar is nag-yellow siya. So, sakit daw talaga yan ng Superstar. But, tignan nyo naman, very maganda pa yung quality. Lalaban ko lang siya actually, dapat. So, wala pa akong tayang kasi sinusuot ko pa rin siya. Diba? Nice siya pag tingnan mo, may sign of usage na siya. But still, quality. Ayan lang naman yung shoes namin na ginagamit. Lahat yan nagagamit. So, kahit sabihin natin na sa above 3,000 or more or nasa 1,500 na bracket siya, nagagamit talaga lahat ng yan everyday. So, ayun yung mga cartoons ng Air Jordan. So, ayan, size 10 siya, ako size 7. So, etong bata, meron pang laman. Ay, saan ba yung laman yan? Basta may laman yan, ginamit ko for a kasal. So, ayun. Well, meron pa ba akong masasabi about this? Hindi ko siya masasabi na collection, but sort of isang this is showcasing yung mga typical na sapatos na nagagamit namin sa araw-araw. So, ayan lang. Hope you guys enjoyed it and have an idea kung anong klaseng lifestyle meron kami. And hopefully, we can share all of this sa ibang tao by means of reselling kung hindi na namin magamit o ibigay namin. Kasi of course, we need to love the world, recycle, reuse, and repurpose. So, ganun. So, we just buy what we really need. And wala kami ng tipong binibili namin, tas kinukolekt, tas tinatago sa cabinet. Because anong sense nun, diba? But I know for other people, it rocks their boat na meron silang that kind of collection. Pero siguro kami lang yung tipo ng tao na we want to be practical and we just want to, what do you call that? Buy things na we really need. So, yun lang. Thank you so much everyone for your time and hopefully you enjoy and you subscribe to my channel. So hopefully you can also share. You can also tell me what you want for my next content. So ayan na, Sparky and Smorsy. So bye bye for now everyone.